The city of Bam. 80,000 inhabitants.
With all the cracks of justice shown, it's clear to me the world's insane. Still going round.
The earthquake hit when most people were asleep.
Where there's a glimpse of color seen, it fades away and turns to dreams.
Over 40,000 people died. Bam is 600 miles southeast of Tehran. It has long been the jewel in the crown of Iran's historic sites. Its ancient mud-built citadel was a magnet for tourists from all over the world. Not anymore. Most buildings were not able to withstand such a large localized earthquake, with tragic consequences. On the first day alone, over 2,000 people had to be buried in mass graves. Fear of disease meant that they were denied even the most basic of funeral rites.